Hello, students. Welcome to the next session of our online English class. And in this class, we are going to discuss some collection words, which I think you must have also done in your primary classes. But because these are very important, we should know the collection, what the collection of a group known as. So let us again revise in this class, and these collection words are on page number 146 of your basic English grammar book. So let's start. A group of soldiers. So what is the group of soldiers known as? It is known as an army or a troop. So when we are mentioning about a group of soldiers, what we will say? We will say an army of soldiers or a troop of soldiers. Next, an assembly of people. So when many people are collected together, they are known as an assembly, or they are also known as a congregation. An assembly of people or a congregation of people. A bale of cotton or wool. When a huge number of cotton or wool is put together in front of you, then it is known as a bale of cotton or a bale of wool. A board of trustees or directors. So these are selected members of an association, and when they are collectively deciding something, then that collection of the trustees or the directors is known as a board. A bunch of grapes, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of flowers, and a bunch of keys. So all these things, when they are in a group, they are known as a bunch. And flowers, when they are put together in a very fine way, they are also known as a bouquet of flowers. A bundle of sticks or hay. So when sticks are collected, they are known as a bundle of stick or hay. A caravan of merchants, pilgrims, travelers, camels, etc. So when some merchants or pilgrims or some travelers, they travel in a combined way, means many vehicles are going together or many camels are going together, then it is known as a caravan. A chain of mountains or events. Many mountains put together, they are known as a chain of mountains like Himalayas. A clump of trees. So a group of trees is known as a clump of trees. A congregation of worshippers. So as we have already done this word congregation, so when many people have assembled together for worship purpose in any holy place, then it is known as a congregation of worshipper. A crew of sailors. The people who sail in ships or boat, it is known as, this group is known as a crew of sailors. Or the people who are on board aeroplane and they are working as a staff of aeroplane, they are also considered as a crew. A curriculum of studies. So whatever you have to study in a particular year is known as a curriculum. A choir of singers. So a group of singers is known as a choir. A cloud of locusts. Now locust is a type of insect, and the group of locust is known as a cloud of locust. A code of laws. So means many laws put together, compiled together, is known as a code of laws. Like our constitution, in that constitution there are many rights, there are many duties, many laws are written in that book, so it could also be considered as a code of law. A constellation of stars. When a group of stars is known as a constellation, we have already done this in our science. A collection of stamps or a collection of coins, collection of curiosities, or a collection of relics. A consignment of goods. Goods here means it is not a quality, it is not an adjective, whereas it refers to some objects. A consignment of goods, which means when somebody transports something with the means of aeroplane or ship or a train, then we say that it is a consignment of goods. A congress of representatives. A flight of stairs, a flight of steps, a flight of imagination. A gang of prisoners, a gang of robbers, a gang of thieves, a gang of convicts. Now, prisoners, robbers, thieves, convicts, they could be synonym also. These are the synonyms. Laborers, a gang of laborers, a gang of workmen, ruffians, a gang of miscreants. A gallery of picture. As you must be very familiar that many pictures collected together in your smartphone. Where do we find all these pictures? We find in a gallery. And similarly, when we have to see, if we are interested in painting, so where we have to go to see many paintings, they are displayed in a gallery, means in a hall, in a very big hall where many pictures are displayed together. A group of islands, a grove of trees, a galaxy of stars, a heap of stones, a heap of sand, a heap of rubbish. A heap of rubbish means many foolish people, they are collected together, sitting together or doing something together. A hoard of wealth. Wealth means money, a collection of money. A league of nations, like Indian Premier League. So it is League of Nations. A litter of puppies means a group of small little puppies. A library of books. So we find a library of books. A nursery of plants. It's a place or a group of plant is also known as a nursery, and we find many plants in a nursery. A row of seats. A series of events. A string of camels. A group of fish is known as a shoal of fish. So there are many other words also which you can search on your Google or in any other grammar book, and these are very important when you are referring about some group. So you must learn these group of words. So till the next session, goodbye.